Hello, this is Dr. Hongdu. In this video, I'm going to explain how the mean of a set of numbers can be calculated using frequencies. Let's say I had a sample of 10 high school students, and they were asked, how many days in the past week have you consumed an alcoholic beverage? I collected 10 numbers, which form my sample data set. As you can see from the data, some consumed none, and one student consumed alcohol 5 days in the past week. Then, on average, how many days did they consume alcohol? So, the average number of days, or we can call it the mean number of days, or symbolically we can denote it by using X bar, are just different names for basically the same thing. They can be calculated by adding all these 10 numbers and divide by 10. The answer is 2, which can be interpreted as, on average, these 10 high school students consumed alcohol on 2 days in the past week. This is the most straightforward way to calculate the mean when you have the raw data. What if the raw data have been organized into a frequency table? The table tells you the raw data set have 2 zeros, 3 ones, 2 twos, 2 fours, and 1 5. So the frequency table is just another way of describing the data without listing out each individual numbers. From this table, we can calculate the sum of the data values as 0 times 2, plus 1 times 3, plus 2 times 2, plus 4 times 2, then plus 5 times 1. Then this sum can be divided by 10, so the mean is still 2. So adding these products is just a quicker way to add a series of numbers when some numbers are repeating. Now let's use Excel to calculate the mean. First, copy and paste the table info into Excel spreadsheet. One column for the data values and one column for the corresponding frequencies. When you paste data from another application to Excel, choose the second option instead of the first, since the second option will paste plain text without the formatting. Then pick an empty cell, type in equal, then sum product, then select the data values, comma, then select the frequencies. This calculation gives you the sum of the data values. To get the mean, you still have to divide the number of data values. If you do not know how many data values you have for the data, adding the frequencies together will give you the size of your dataset. This is how you calculate the mean of a dataset given its frequencies in Excel.